Greetings, greetings, greetings. I am so excited that you are here and glad that you're here. I want to share this with my small business owners and maybe those that are inspiring to be business champions out there. This is a very important topic that is going around quite nicely, which is about artificial intelligence. And some people think that it just started um, in 2022 or 2023 because of Chat GPT. But the reality is that it started, believe it or not, around Star Trek. Check this out.
Computer, this is Lieutenant Commander Data. Please access all Starfleet command orders to starships, star bases, and colonies for the last 6 months.
Working.
Startling. Quite extraordinary, in fact.
Direction unclear. Please repeat request.
That was not a request. I was simply talking to myself. A human idiosyncrasy, triggered by a fascination with a particular set of facts, or sometimes brought about by senility, or used as a means of weighing information before reaching a conclusion, or as
Thank you, sir.
So, as you can see, artificial intelligence, it really isn't anything new, but we can use it now more responsibly and also for some very unique things that we do on a daily basis, or maybe even to help with our work. So when we look at artificial intelligence, it's basically mimicking what the human brain can do for decision making abilities. Um, so I just wanted to share where AI is in our everyday lives, from navigation to email to finance, our home devices, our medical research, personalized experiences, virtual assistants, the facial recognition, and even some self-driving cars, which I've had the opportunity to drive one test drive. I'm not going to give the name of the company because I'm not endorsing, but just know that they are here and AI is here to stay. So, what I wanted to share with you, small business owners, is a couple of tools that you can use in your toolbox. So, say for instance, I am going to share my screen one more time here. And of course, with the AI every day, I am going to share with you a few tools that I think would be revolutionary, but also we as humans, we have to have the right questions for problem solving what you want. So I am a certified business mentor and I help thousands of individuals create their business plan, marketing plan, get cost analysis, um, when you're talking about a competitor analysis. But some people don't know where to start. And so I want to share with you a couple of tools. So for starters, just using Google Docs. It is a new tool that is added at no cost, and I love sharing things at no cost. So if you see here, it says help me write. It also has built-in meeting notes that you can do, an email draft, and even more topics that you can use to help you write. So I know there is a certain, writer's block, right? So the writer's block you may have, or maybe you're just running out of time. And so if you click help me write, and it also has a prompt. It says a cover letter for a high school math teacher job, letter to my landlord about the water leaking, create a social media caption, a farewell email for a teacher, plan a PTA event teaching kids how to do something, or add another paragraph, write a song about a first love, newspaper ad for a car auction, so many different ones. So they give you an ideal. So what we want to do is an interview thank you letter. Look at that. It just keeps going and going. But for small business, um, so it says, help me write. How about we're going to say a business plan outline? This is very vague. So you would want to actually write business plan outline for a fitness company, as we're going to say. And let's get specific. Let's say in, I don't know, think of Richmond, say Richmond, Virginia. And I'm going to click, you see here, this is a create. And I'm going to click the create, keep our fingers crossed. I see what it does. And again, I set a business plan outline. So it will probably give us like the table of contents as I thought. So it gave us the executive. So this is a business plan outline for a fitness company in Richmond, Virginia. So it gives you the option to take a look at it before you say insert. So it gave us the executive summary, company description, products and services, market analysis, strategy and implementation, management team, financial plan. So it tells us to rate it. I'm gonna say, okay, this is a creative writing aid, not intended for factual, right? So you have to keep that in mind. So you click insert, and so you have a starting point. So before you may have not had a clue on how to start your um, business uh, business plan. So now you have a skeleton here of 6 bullet points to where your business plan can start and where you can get it going. I'm going to pause. I'm going to take a station break and come back with some other juicy AI tools that you can use as well. Thank you. Stay tuned.